sometimes when you're working, some of the tools or options aren't available, or you just can't see them. For example, right now, I don't have that cube that allows me to change where I'm looking at the object. I don't have my pan button, my zoom button, and I don't have my XYZ axes. So in order to turn those things back on, I'm going to go to View. Now, my navigation bar is what has my zoom, my pan, all these other tools. Sometimes this gets toggled off, so if you can't see that, make sure that's toggled on. I always keep these three viewport tools on. I like my View Cube, which two-dimensionally we don't use as much, but I still like to see that it's there, and then my Use CS icon. I know that I'm drawing in my XY axes. So again, if those get turned off for some reason, I'm just going to go View, and then there they are right there.